Cheeseburgers.
No. Where'd you get them? McDonald's, Wendy's, Jack in the Box, where?
Big Kahuna Burger.
Big Kahuna Burger. That's that Hawaiian burger joint. I hear they got some tasty burgers. I ain't never had one myself. How are they?
They're good.
You mind if I try one of yours? This is yours here, right?
Hey guys, it's Kushel here. Welcome back to another We Talk Ketos, Keto in 10, where we take your favorite meals and make them into something keto friendly within 10 minutes. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get this video up to 50 likes. Now today we decided to make our mega keto pork burger. Let's get started. Now let's get started. To make our famous grounded seasoning, you will need some chili peppers, some onion, some garlic, some ginger, some bell peppers, some green seasoning peppers, some red seasoning peppers. Here we use light soy sauce, but we recommend that you use dark soy sauce because it gives your seasoning a lot more flavor. You also need some vinegar, some ginger powder, some garlic powder, some black grounded peppers, some parsley and some scallions. You put all this into your food processor and you blend. When choosing your pork slices, do not choose pork slices that has a lot of fat because you do not want your pork patties to be too soft. So avoid choosing pork slices like the pork belly. When putting in your grounded seasoning, make sure that it is well incorporated before adding another spoon. We also added a few more dry ingredients to our pork for better taste and more flavor. Then you make into a burger shape. Here we left our pork patties in a ball shape, which was a decision we really regretted. So make sure that yours is placed into a flat burger patty shape. Then you're going to place this into your oven for 45 minutes. Now at the 20-minute mark, you're going to throw out the pork juices because you do not want your pork to be too soggy. Then you turn your pork patties and you place into your oven for another 25 minutes. Now we make our Keto Burger Bun. So for the Keto Burger Bun, you only need a few ingredients. You need some eggs, some almond flour, some almond milk, salt, psyllium husk. You mix this all together and place into your microwave for at least 15 minutes. You could also use your oven for this. When this is done, we put everything together. So this is our famous cheese sauce. If you'd like to know what we put into this, the link is also in the description. Here we have some caramelized onions, some lettuce, some tomatoes. And there you have it, our mega keto pork burger. And there you have it, our mega keto pork burger. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Give us suggestions on what recipe you would like us to make next. Check us out on Instagram on Zarvizik. Check out our workout videos. Also check us out on We Talk Keto on Instagram. Check out WTKHealthForum.com, which is our blog. Thank you for watching and bye.